children. I hope everybody is fine. So today we will learn about the parts of a computer. Children, previously learned we have that a computer is an amazing machine that can do different types of jobs. It has different parts that work together to form a computer system. The two basic parts of a computer system are hardware and software. Let us learn about hardware. The physical parts of a computer that you can touch and see are called hardware. A human body consists of different parts. The outer parts of our body are visible, but the parts like brain, heart, lung, etc. which are inside cannot be seen. Similarly, in computer, we can see the parts of hardware that are outside. Example, monitor, keyboard and mouse. They are attached to the CPU by cables. Some parts of hardware are inside the CPU. We can see only when open the body of the CPU box. Example, hard disk, CPU chip, etc. The hardware of a computer is further divided into four parts: input devices, output devices, storage devices and processing devices. Input devices. These are special types of hardware devices that are used to input words, numbers, sounds or pictures into the computer. These are called input devices. Example, keyboard. A keyboard looks like a typewriter. It has different buttons called keys. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. There are different types of keys. To perform different tasks. The first is alphabet keys, number keys, function keys and special keys. The first is alphabet keys. These keys are used for typing letters and words. The letter A to Z are written on these keys. Due to its first few rows of alphabets Q, W, E, R, T, Y, it is called a QWERTY keyboard or keypad. Number keys. These are keys with numbers written on them. These keys are used to type numbers. One set of number keys are placed above the alphabet keys and the another set is the right side of the keypad from 0 to 9. Numeric keypad can only be used when numlock is on. Function keys. These keys are used for different functions, for different programs. These are found at the top of the keyboard. Special keys. Spacebar. This key is the longest key of the keyboard. It is used to give space between two words. Enter key. This key is used to move to the next line. Caps lock. This key is used to type in capital letters. When caps lock is on, the letter appears in uppercase or capital letters, or when caps lock is off, letter appears in lowercase or small. Delete key. It erases the letters from right of the cursor. Backspace. It erases the letters from the left of the cursor. Shift key. Shift key is used to type special symbols written on the upper side of the numeric keys and some other keys. Arrow keys, also called cursor control keys or cursor moving keys. They are used to move the cursor from up, down, left and right directions. We can input numbers, letters and special characters through keyboard. Mouse. A mouse is small in size and has a tail via cable which connects it to the CPU. When you move a mouse, you can see a pointer moving on the screen and you can draw pictures on the computer with the help of a mouse. It has 2 or more 3 buttons. Now touchpad. Touchpad is generally available in laptop computers. It also helps to move pointers and select. It also used to input commands. Microphone. Microphone is also used to take sound input and send into the computer. Output devices. Output devices are those devices that help to get output from the computer. The main output devices for computers are monitor. Monitor is a display device. It displays the result. Printer. Printer is also an output device. It prints the output on the paper. Speaker. Speakers are same as a music system. When the speakers are connected to the computer, we receive sound as output. Processing device. CPU as a small chip called CPU. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. The CPU is the main component which is used to manipulate data. Storage devices. Storage devices helps us to store work done on a computer. Some storage devices store information inside the computer and some store information outside the computer. The main storage devices are hard disk. This is found inside the CPU. It stores all the information inside the computer. Pen drive. Pen drive stores information outside the computer. CD drive. CD drive also stores information outside the computer. A pen drive stores much more information than a CD-ROM. Software. Software is that a part of computer which cannot be seen and touched. To make the hardware work, we need to have software in it. Let us understand software with the help of some example. Children, all of you must have seen an music system. The parts like speaker, CD and DVD, which you can touch and see, are hardware. Can you see the songs or music recorded on a CD or DVDs? No, because that is the software. A CD is the hardware, but the songs or movies which are stored in it are software, as they cannot touch and see. Likewise, a TV is the hardware and the programs you watch on it are software. Children, a software are divided into 2 parts: system software and application software. System software, it is a set of programs that controls overall working of a computer. Operating system is a part of the system software that makes a computer run. Let us understand it. It is the case of car that has petrol engine and wheel, but it cannot move. When will the car move? It will move only when the driver starts it. Its driver is the operator of the car. Similarly, the operating system is the driver of the computer that will make the computer. Application software. The software that helps you to do a specific type of work is called application software. Example, what you do with a washing machine in your house. You can only wash the clothes with it. This indicates that you can do a specific type of job with this machine. There are different types of application software that help in doing specific types of jobs. MS Paint used for drawing picture, games used for play games, WordPad used for typing and making correction in the text, calculator used for doing calculations. Difference between hardware versus software. Hardware. Hardware is any part of a computer that you can see and touch. The part of the computer that actually processes the instruction in the software and makes the output available. Software. You cannot touch software, although it can be stored on a device that you can touch, such as CD-ROM. Software programs consist of instructions to be performed by the computer. So thank you children. I hope you understood the parts of a computer and see you on the next chapter. Bye bye.